Hello, my friends. Well, I'm going to do a pour today with silicone and perhaps roll a marble around in it. But first, I'd like to show you the dried results of the last one I did. This was a challenge piece with online painting school and dried really nicely. It didn't shift around at all. It just dried just where I left it all, and I think that was due to the mix I'm using, which was glue and Liquitex. I just love the shape of the little cells and the marble effect. I think when it's varnished with a nice shiny varnish, it'll look really great. So that's what I'm shooting for today, but with very bright colors. And I didn't have any Liquitex left, so I'm trying glue with Golden's pouring medium. I think it should hopefully work the same, similar anyway, but it is an experiment, so we shall see. I'm using Liquitex colors and light blue. Here's the consistency. It's a little on the thick side, leaves a bit of a mound. And I've added a couple drops of silicone in each cup, which has about 2 ounces in there. And brilliant yellow-green. This was a combination of what I had left in Liquitex. I don't recall the color, but then I finished it up with lemon yellow and Arteza. So that's a beautiful yellow. And medium magenta Liquitex. And then I mixed a color. That one feels a little thinner than the others, but can't do anything about that now. I'm not going to add more paint to it, but the rest of them seem to be fairly similar. Now, this was a mix of a couple of purples I had left over in Liquitex and some magenta. So that's the order they're going in. I'll do 2 layers. And here we go. I'll give them another good stir before I pour. I hope I get the same or similar look as I did with that last one, but you know, you never know. It may have been a fluke. I don't mind having yellow next to the magenta. It might, if it mixes, it'll make a pretty orange, I think, I hope. And the yellow next to the green will be nice. And the blue. This is I think a 10 by 10 deep canvas, so I hope I have enough paint here. 2, 4, 6, 10 ounces, that should be. It should be enough, I don't know. I'm going to pour it on the other side this time. Use it up. This is actually the first time I've used that golden pouring medium. It's so expensive. I haven't wanted to I haven't even wanted to experiment with it yet, but it's about time I did. So I've got it. Why not use it? I'll put the recipe down below, the ratios I used for mixing the pouring medium as well as the colors. And the last one. Okay. So like I did with that round one, I will flip it and then tilt to cover the canvas. Then I'll hit it with the torch. So that way I can hopefully maintain small cells. Locate my trusty marble. Okay, here we go. I can open it kind of in a C shape. Wow, that yellow, huh? Really strong. There's the orange, the magenta, and the yellow mixed. It's kind of pretty. I'm going to scoop this out just to, it'll get covered up, but it'll just help the paint move out a bit. Move around on the canvas. I don't know, I can't talk here. Oh, it looks really hideous right now. All right. Maybe I'll even smooth it out a bit with green. Oh, that's really ugly. But again, this will get covered up. Okay, let's get to it and cover that up. I like that swoop of yellow up there. Cute little green cells popping up in that area there. Over there. That's looking better, isn't it? Down here. Okay. Now, I'll hit with the torch, bring up those little cute little cells. They are, they're coming. Oh, they're wonderfully multicolored. Pretty. and nicely shaped. I'm happy with that. Well, that's good. I mean, I would expect to get good quality cells using the expensive mix, right? Cute. Okay. And no caterpillars. That's good. Wonder if I think I want to make them a little bit bigger though before I run the marble through. So let me tilt it just a little more. Can't decide if I like this bright area here or not. There are cells in there, but you don't really see them, so I think I might sacrifice that. Okay, that's better. That they were so small that I don't know that they would be appreciated. So now, how to do this? Where do I want to go with this? I want to maybe come up through here. Maybe a little bit here, and then I don't know. Let me just, oh gosh, they're pretty colors, really pretty. All right, sorry folks, let me get going here. I head that way. Slow and steady. Okay. I don't want to go crazy with it. I like to be able to see the actually I need tweezers here to pick this up because I don't want to touch the painting with my fingers, but it's hard to avoid that. Oh, that's not too bad. I want to be able to appreciate the cells yet, so I don't want to go really nutty with the marble. But it does add a bit of interest that I like. So now up here, holding my breath. Let my breath out. Okay, here we go again. Mhm. And now, where do I want the last one? Yeah. Maybe I don't want another one. I don't know. I do feel like it needs something else. Can I come up out of here? Maybe there. Can I control it that well? I don't know. Okay, that's what I'm going to try. Maybe I'll start up here. And then I'll bring it down here and roll it right off. Over here somewhere. Okay. Wish me luck. I don't want too straight of a line. I've got to curve it a little bit. Okay. I think I'm going to stop there. Oh gosh, that's pretty up there. The whole thing's rather pretty. Do I want to tilt it in any way? I don't think so. I think I want to leave it. Let me turn it towards you. It's sliding around on this. Oh, on the marble. I think that's the orientation I see it in. Cute. It's a very happy piece. Let me bring you in for a closer look. Liquitex Basics are great colors. So vivid and pretty good quality. Look at those darling, colorful cells there. Well, I'm real pleased that the golden works as well as the Liquitex pouring medium. Look at those pretty cells. I think this is up here is the prettiest part of the swirl. Right there, isn't that lovely? Okay. I think I'm going to call that one a success. Well, thanks for joining me, folks. Give this a try and let me know how it goes. See you later. Bye.